What is up, people? This is Ronald Kamble, your sneaker guy, and guys, yes, today after a long time, we are going to talk about Adidas on this channel as we have not talked about Adidas for a long time. So I just thought I'll make a video on it. And as you guys know, I had made a video on top 10 sneakers from Puma, which I do love and which were under 5,000 rupees. So I just thought I'll make another video like that, but with Adidas because I do love some sneakers from Adidas as well, and they are under 5,000 as well. So not all of them, but yes, most of them are under 5,000 rupees. So that is the topic for this video, that is top 5 sneakers from Adidas under 5,000 rupees. So yes, let's not waste any of the time and let's start with the video. So yes, the list is ready on my laptop, and I just wanted to tell you guys that do let me know in the comments if you like any of the sneakers from the list, or if you have any other options. So anyone watching the comment may get other options as well, and even I'll get to know some of the sneakers if I don't know them, and that will be very helpful as well. And do share this video with your friends, like this video and do all that good stuff, because by liking the video and sharing the video, it helps me with the algorithm a lot. And if you share the video with your friends, even they might get help if they want to buy any sneakers, if they are planning to buy any sneakers. So yes, that's enough of my talking, and I know you guys get bored when I talk, so let's start with the list. So first, starting off with men's Adidas original Stan Smith. I'll show the pictures here, and this is not your normal Stan Smith because it has that hints of dark forest green, that golden lettering of Stan Smith, and that vintage sole. This gives the proper old school vibes with that premium quality materials, and I love this sneaker a lot because this sneaker is the reason I am into sneakers. So yes, I have never owned a pair of Stan Smith, and I would love to own this one in future if it goes on sale or something like that. But yes, I do want to own this sneaker, and I'm waiting for that time, and this will cost you 8,999 rupees. I know it's expensive one, and it is more than 5,000 rupees. Actually, it's like double the price, but yes, it is worth the money. So the second sneaker is 3MC X Disney Goofy shoes. So if you guys don't know, Goofy was a cartoon way back in our childhood, and it was a fun cartoon, and Adidas has done a collab with that, and 3MC is the Adidas skateboarding sneaker. They have collaborated with Goofy on multiple sneakers, but yes, I do love this specific one because it has that neutral colorways, and I do like that cartoonish kind of sneakers. So yes, it is a very good sneaker and it looks very clean. This will cost you 3,299 rupees. So yes, it is a very good shoes at a very good price. 3,300 rupees for this sneaker is very good. And for some reason you don't like the sneaker, you can go with the normal 3MC sneaker, which looks very similar to it, but it is not the collab one, and it has that rich look to it. It looks very rich, it has that aesthetic vibes, it has that beige kind of suede on it, which is very sexy. So I just love both the sneakers, but the normal one is expensive. It is 6,000 rupees, and the collab is 3,300 rupees after discount. So I'll go with the collab one, but if you guys don't like that collab, you can go with the normal one if you want to. So the third sneaker on the list is Adidas Original Continental VULC shoes. Adidas Original Continental VULC shoes. It is a very big name, but a very good sneaker. As you guys know, Continental is a very old sneaker of Adidas. As you guys are seeing the pictures here, it is a very different version of Continental. It is a all black version with suede and normal canvas, which looks very good. That suede gives a different shade of black, and that canvas gives a different shade of black, which makes a good contrast to the sneaker and gives a texture to it. It is not that plain black sneaker, and I don't like that plain black sneakers. I do love the all black sneakers, but not the plain black sneakers, if it makes any sense and if I'm able to make you understand. So it will cost you 3,959 rupees, that is 3,960 rupees. So it is a very good sneaker under 4,000 rupees, and you can really go with it. So the fourth sneaker on the list is Adidas Original NMD R1. So NMD is a very famous shoes from Adidas, and it has made people go crazy when it had launched, and now no one really cares about NMDs, but that boost gives a very good comfort, and this particular colorway is very similar to the Bape sneakers, the Bape NMDs. That is the reason I like this. I also love the NMD camo, which I had shown in one of my videos where I had shown top 10 or top 5 alternative sneakers. In that video I have shown a good alternative sneaker for the Bape NMDs, that was NMD Camo, which looks very good, and even this one is clean. I do love this sneaker as well. So this will cost you 6,500 rupees. It is an expensive one because of the Boost, but Boost is known as the most comfortable sneaker on earth right now. I have never worn a Boost, so that is sad of me, but it is a very good sneaker. That is the reason I have this on my list. And as I said, I have never worn a Boost, so I do want this sneaker as well. So the last sneaker on the list is very clean, and that is Adidas Original Samba vegan shoes. Samba is a very old sneaker from Adidas, and it is very clean. It looks very strong on feet. It has that power, that aura around it. I don't know, I feel like that, and it looks very clean. And recently Jerry Lorenzo, the founder, the owner of the brand Fear of God, he has a coming collaboration with Adidas, and he has left Nike, which made a very big controversy, and he's been spotted wearing this shoes, and this shoe has sold out almost everywhere because of that, which is a crazy thing, because he is a very known personality in sneaker world, and he is like very influencer person. So yes, that is the reason this shoe is on my list, and I do want this, and this will cost you 4,599 rupees. It's again under 5,000 rupees, and it is a very good sneaker, very clean. It has that old school vibe, it has that gum brown bottom, it has that white and black upper, which looks very clean. And yes, that is it for the list. And don't forget to let me know which sneaker you like in the comments, and most importantly, do not forget to share this video. Do share this video, it helps a lot with the algorithm, as I said. And do let me know if you want me to make this kind of videos more and more. And thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time in the next video. Peace.